I bought this neat little device, paid 14 bucks I think for it, and it's probably the best money I've invested. It's attached to a electric drill. I tried this with a cordless drill and the battery lasts for about 3 holes. So I decided to get my old grubby electric drill and hook up extension cord, and let me show you how this works. Got my string line here. I'm lining up with the other plant over there. Now notice how deep I've got it. That's about 12 inches deep. And then what I do is take a handful of this composted cow manure and drop in there. Mix that up good. And I got a hole ready to plant. Okay, we have Rutgers tomatoes here in flat with 2x5 little 2-inch peat pots. They come 10 to a whatever you call that. And what we do is we want to cut the bottom leaves off of here, and we want to peel the peat pot away. And notice that there's a goodly amount of roots there. And we're just going to drop it right in the hole. Oh, it's too deep. Look how deep it is. So we put some dirt back in, and that's good because that keeps the bottom of the roots from coming in direct contact with that composted cow manure we put in there. Lots of rocks and crap and debris that we're trying to get out of the holes. So push it down. As Praxis says, don't push it any harder than you would push your eyeball. And then we create a well. We bring the dirt up and we create a well around it so that the water won't go directly down to the root of the plant, but it will collect in there and the plant roots will go seek it out. So that's the easy way to plant a tomato using an electric drill.